What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the stock market. And I do have some exciting news to discuss and go over with you. And it's not the stock market here, as we are starting to reject and start to correct here, which could inevitably start the cycle back down, which is not surprising, as we did talk about this in yesterday's video. Yesterday, we left off talking about how we are so close. And look at this right now, as this could be your chance to get in for a possible reversal to the upside here. And you can see it's almost like we just started to do that. Literally what we called is now actually happening here. Just want to show you in reference, this is the chart, this is the pattern that we had just shown yesterday, and that this is the bottom support, and we are due for a reversal up. Well, if we look at XRP, what happened? We did exactly that. We saw the reversal to the upside here. So this is very good news across the board. Hopefully you guys are paying attention. We are tracking this 4-hour kind of symmetrical triangle here. I guess it's more so like this, but you can see now we do have some sort of uptrend here. We also have some sort of solid downtrend. This is now forming the symmetrical triangle with 3 points of confirmation that we have been patiently waiting for who knows how long. This is very good news. And this also could mean a lot of these other cryptocurrencies are starting their ascent to the upside, which is also very good news. Now, in theory, we should hopefully start to head higher up as we're starting to see Solana lift off. We're starting to see XRP do the same thing. Ethereum has already broken through its major downtrend here. Bitcoin has done the exact same thing. And we even have the stock market, which could open up today and maybe surprise us all, which would be absolutely incredible. Anywho, with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, super quick, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember, ByDFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. And they are currently offering a ton of different and unique promotions where you can earn a random rebate of 10 to 80% of your initial deposit here, as well as a top tier VIP2 status and $100 in free cryptocurrency for those that decide to sign up. It is very cool. It is very simple, very easy, and it is completely free to sign up and get some of those rewards down in the description below. Anywho, moving on, and we'll talk about, ByDFi later on in today's video, because I also want to show you how you can earn over 2K in free cryptocurrency. But moving on from that, looking at XRP, this is something that we've been patiently waiting for, and this is very exciting that we're starting to see it. You can see beautifully. I almost want to drop it a little bit lower, as it makes more sense to kind of skew this to include everything that's currently going on. We could even move this up just a hair to include the wicks here, but you can now see there is a beautiful, and I mean a literally beautiful symmetrical triangle forming here. We have this nice flagpole up, and now we're having higher lows and lower highs as we're filling in this gap exactly how we planned it yesterday. I don't know how much more on point we could have been. We literally made a video yesterday describing a reversal to come here. Literally drew it in right on the thumbnail for reference of reversal here. That's how important it was. And now we saw exactly that. As of literally yesterday into this morning, we had exactly that. We hit bottom support right here and reversed right back up for an intra trade, and you were able to hopefully profit off that. I know you guys were able to profit off that because I was able to see trading volume here. And I did see the profit that some of you guys were able to make, which is awesome here off this little reversal. Well, now you can see we're getting stuck. So again, take your profits now, as we need to sit back tightly and wait to see where XRP wants to go. Because right now we're either due for a correction to the downside or we are due for a rally to the upside here, which is also very exciting. So just, keep this in mind, as there's a very good chance now that we could be due for that run. Now it is a 4-hour, which makes it very aggressive here. And there's a good chance that it's going to come quicker than you might think. So just keep your eyes peeled on that. A lot of these cryptos look like they want to rally up, so there's a good chance we could see that happen with an XRP, but it all depends on, where we do decide to close in the next couple of hours. We do have the 4-hour graphs pretty nicely drawn here. You can already see the resistance, the problem zone right here. So this could cause markets to reverse down. And even if we do, we'll be able to short that short term in a downtrend, or if we break through price ceiling, confirm closure of a 4-hour candle above that resistance, we'll buy in and we'll long. Obviously, all of these trades will be done on ByDFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. ByDFi, like I said, lets you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, everything you'd want. And they also have XRP right here to trade, to leverage trade. Look, stop limit orders, take profit, stop losses, reduce onlys. You have, what is it called? You can even move the stop loss up, which is absolutely incredible. Finally, ByDFi added this to the exchange, which means you can you can practically scalp the market. Each time let's say you're up 10% profit, move your stop loss higher than where you originally bought in to lock in a guaranteed like 5% or lock in a break even. It's very cool. Not many exchanges offer that, which makes ByDFi very unique. On top of that is they have a welcome rewards bonus and a demo trading account. So not only can you take advantage of the sign up bonus that they have going on right now, they even have a welcome rewards page where you can earn over 2K and completing all these exclusive tasks here, even over 5K by literally just leaving feedback on ByDFi's exchange. Super cool, super easy. They then have a demo account, which gives you $50,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills. Get familiar with the page, and then when you're ready and you've made some profitable trades, you literally click on live trade and you are good to go. Anywho, moving forward from XRP onto like Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, so on and so forth here, you can see Solana has a massive symmetrical triangle. There is a major symmetrical triangle forming here, and you can see we already rallied and reversed off support here. We discussed how we've hit bottom support on numerous occasions, so we've clearly found a uptrend here, and we knew that once we hit this, we would start to head higher. You can also see the resistance in green that we're having trouble breaking through. However, if and when we do, we should be able to see that rally to the upside here. We should be able to see that run to some pretty high levels. So I'm very excited to see the results of this as we are starting to fill in this gap here, and things are moving quite nicely on the daily and the weekly charts. If you ask me, you can see the clear symmetrical triangle that's forming here. So we are now waiting for the end of this, either here or over here, to make that decision, to make a buy-in opportunity, to make a short opportunity. It'll be very exciting to see the results of Solana's trade because a lot of these cryptocurrencies are starting to do some pretty epic things. You can already see Ethereum is starting its rally and ascent outside of its major resistance too, which is very good news, starting that uptrend. Bitcoin, for the first time in a while, we had this descending, like constricting wedge here. We finally confirmed closure outside of that resistance, and we're starting that rally up, which is also very exciting. Now that we're seeing this run, this swing to the upside here, it's very good news because this could be the start of a run. You can see on the 4 hour though, we might be near overbought. Yes, what I thought here, but because that not that important, we can consolidate a little bit here. But within this here, now that we've broken through top, we could maybe see a little bit of drawdown, but it pretty much is confirming that we are due to head higher now that we've broken through a major resistance. So I'm excited to see kind of where Bitcoin wants to take itself in the next coming days. Everything looks all right for right now. I mean, I'm not expecting to see some major blast off, some major explosion within these cryptocurrencies. We just don't have the volume backing it at this moment. But that's not to say that these cryptos can't move up anymore. And I know for sure they will move up. I'm also very intrigued by the way the stock market is moving here. I very much expect to see a rally to happen fairly soon. I am pretty confident that we are at some point going to break through this resistance. Whether that's today or not, or in this week or not, is pretty difficult to tell. Either we're going to come back down like this or we'll be able to break through it. But at some point or another, I am pretty confident we should be able to break through it and rally higher. I think it's inevitable to come. Jumping to the weekly charts, we need to see how we've been panning out. You can see we've actually been on some sort of downtrend here. You know, when we were at this point at 5,200, we were trading extremely overbought at 80 on the RSI. Now we're trading at 60 and we're near this major resistance. So the longer we've been kind of retesting this top here, because you can see the last time we did it right here, we were at 75. Then we retested a second time, we're at 68. We retested a third time, we're at 61. So you can see each time we consolidate, each time we head up, it's allowing the markets to cool off, come back down to a more level-headed, period where we'll have enough room to head up higher. Look, each time we did that, it's allowed the moving average to follow through and help the market push through this next major resistance. I mean, this is a huge, I guess, milestone for people's mindsets here. Like, the breakthrough 56.68, something that we've been retesting all-time highs for a long time now, going back till July. So we have July, August into September. It's been problematic. So sooner or later, we are going to break through that, and it's going to be very exciting. But even with the drawdowns here, we could just scoop up a little more before that rally actually does decide to happen. Anywho, with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.